Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. This video I'll be showing you how I decorated some carnival boots. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely share these videos. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, definitely subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Let's get started so you can see how I achieved these beautiful boots. So the first boots I'm decorating is my cousin's boots on the right. For this video, it's going to be in a split screen and fast forwarded to save time. So to start, I'm placing a diamond wrap fabric on the left screen all the way down, and on the right screen I'm decorating the foot of the boot. In this frame on the right screen, I'm going up following the line from the lime green diamond wrap, and I'm placing lime green gems all the way up to the top of the boot. In this frame on the left screen, I'm decorating the top of the boots just in no particular design. And on the right screen, I'm decorating the front of the boot, going down. And if you saw the Monday wear video, you will see that this goes really nicely together. On the right screen, I'm starting to decorate the side of the boots. I'm focusing on the top and I'm designing it all the way down with gems. Here are the final results. These boots are beautiful. So the next boot is being paired with this Monday wear, and together they have a crazy color block. So to start off, I'm using the diamond wrap fabric on the base of the boot on the left screen, and I'm just outlining that rim of the foot. The right side, I'm decorating the actual foot of the boot. So now that the foot of the boot is completed, I'm moving on to the front of the boot, and I'm going up with a diamond wrap fabric on the left side. And on the right screen, I'm using a diamond wrap fabric to create an applique at the top that I'm going to bling out. And now I'm starting on the side of the boot. And that's a diamond wrap fabric in my hand. It's a strip of fabric that you can cut out to whatever shape you like. So that's what I'm doing here on the right screen. So for this boot, I'm incorporating some feathers. They're not the best. I didn't want to wait to order from Amazon, so I got these from Michael's, and I'm just trimming them down to my desired height. I'm also trimming down the stem of the feather as well. So right here, I'm positioning the feathers to how I want them. So I applied the glue and then stick the feathers down, and I'm using the bone of the feather to avoid burning myself. Now using the pre-cut diamond wrap, I'm just placing that at the base of the feathers to conceal them. I'm going in with some more diamond wrap fabric to hold the feathers in more. And I'm just placing that on top of the one I've already placed and still adding more glue to secure those feathers. And here you have it. Here are the final results. These boots are super tall, but they're beautiful. So there you have it. Here's a closer look of the first one. My cousin's boots. Open it up a bit. Really pretty. And as you can see, it goes really nicely with her Monday wear. And then this burgundy one is going to create a really nice color block for her Monday wear. Really nice. A lot of details. Really pretty. So I hope this video inspired you guys to create some boots. You can also use these designs to decorate your boots for Tuesday. I know right now it's crunch time and everyone is trying to get their last bits and pieces ready for Carnival, but please make sure you get your boots at least a half size bigger. And check out my Trinidad Carnival Essentials video. It'll be linked down below telling you all the things that you should pack, you should have when you're on the road. So definitely check out that video. Check out all the videos in the series if you haven't done so already. I'll leave them all linked in the description bar below and on the end screen. So thank you guys for all the support on this series. Definitely appreciate it. If you have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell as well so you know when I upload new videos. Like this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.